Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 5G. So Motorola has announced the Moto G 5G. It's coming out very soon. So this is what the phone looks like here. So this is the new Moto G. This one has 5G on, of course, pretty much standard now in all phones. So yeah, y'all guys can register to get updates for the phone and stuff like that. So if you guys want to check this out, a link will be down below if you guys want to check this phone out and stuff like that. Like I said, it's not available yet. It's coming out very soon, guys. So yeah. So this is the Moto G 5G. You guys see the phone right there. Front and back, a very nice looking phone. Looks like the Moto Edge Plus, kind of what the Motorola phones are looking like. This year, they pretty much are looking like they're pretty much the same thing. So you guys have, I could zoom in. Sweet. So yeah, this is the back of the phone. You guys got your triple camera on the back there. Camera flash there. Your Motorola logo. I think that's just a logo. I don't think it's no fingerprint sensor or anything like that. So you probably have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Actually, scratch that. Your fingerprint sensor is your power button right here. So you keep that in mind. You also got your power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side will have your micro SD and SIM card slot. It's kind of weird to show two of these, but alright. So this is the back of the Moto G 5G. You guys have your. Don't know why it's doing that. It's kind of weird. But anyways, you guys got your triple cameras there. Camera flash there. It says 50 megapixels on the back there. So pretty sweet. You got your logo there. Pretty nice looking phone, man. I mean, looks nice. Then on the front of the Moto G 5G, you guys have your hole punch for your front facing camera. Your clock there. I do like the clock a lot. I am a big fan of the clock. The wallpaper is very colorful and vibrant and whatnot. And yeah, like I said, your power button, volume keys is on the right side of the phone. Your fingerprint sensor is your power button. So yeah, this is the right side of the phone. Keep in mind though that the camera does stick out just a bit there on the back, so be mindful of that. So you do have your volume keys right here, power button here, along with your fingerprint sensor here. I don't know why it's doing that twice. That's kind of weird. And then the front of it again, I'll just show you guys the left side. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. So it says move up to the 5G generation. It says download shows in seconds, stream with no buffering, and video chat without lag. All thanks to the super fast connectivity of 5G. Clear shots every time. Snap sharper, brighter photos with 50 megapixel triple camera system and quad pixel technology to bring more details out of the dark. And dual capture lets you shoot and record from the rear and selfie cameras at the same time, so your reaction can be part of the action. See, I'm noticing that with a lot of phones now that you have dual recording capability, so you can take pictures with your front and rear cameras at the same time, and you can also record with your front and rear camera at the same time. Alright, what the hell? Sorry about that, it's like just a bit slow there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. This we're taking with the 50 megapixel camera. So yeah, you also have a macro vision lens and a depth sensor on the back as well. Sorry about that. I don't know why it's doing that. I wish that would just go, but this is this was taken with the depth sensor So y'all guys can see it kind of blurs out the background there just a little bit, which is pretty cool. See, this shit's pissing me off. And this is the macro vision lens, so y'all guys will get up close shots with that. Come on now. There we go. So shoot on Moto G5G, scroll through to see more. So yeah, y'all guys should check out the different pictures that were taken on this phone. There's like the ocean there, pretty nice. World Water, there's geese, there's a dog. So pretty nice, some flowers and stuff like that. The mountains, pretty nice, you know. It says up to 2 days of battery life. Don't worry about running out of power. Work and play longer with a 5,000 mAh battery and fuel up quickly with rapid charging. So you do get a big ass battery on here. So y'all guys get great battery life on here. They claim up to 2 days of battery life. So yeah, vivid with clarity. Y'all guys will have a 90 Hz refresh rate. See, they're comparing the 60 Hz refresh rate. What the hell? It just disappeared. But yeah, they're comparing the two refresh rates: 60 Hz, which is standard, and 90 Hz, which is becoming standard on budget devices like this. So a 90 Hz refresh rate is pretty good. 60 Hz is standard. That's pretty much standard. Like, that's not standard now. It was standard years ago. But you guys can tell the difference between 60 Hz and 90 Hz and 120 Hz and etc. So y'all guys get a 90 Hz refresh rate on here. 6.5 inch ultra wide view HD plus display, which is a 720p display, 20:9 aspect ratio. So pretty decent for what it is. This is a budget phone, guys. So your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone right there. You guys can see that it's just one tray with your SIM card goes here. Now I think your SIM card goes here, and your SD card goes here, I guess. It says here, keep everything at hand. You will have plenty of room for photos, movies, songs, apps, and games. With up to 256 gigabytes of built-in storage and with up to 6 gigabytes of RAM, you can stream, play, and chat without interruption for consistently smooth performance. So pretty damn good. More features you will appreciate. Come rain or shine, your phone is protected from spills or splashes by its water repellent coating. So the Moto G5G has a water repellent design. So it's not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water. It's not waterproof, but if you get a little water on it, you'll be fine. Always by your side. Your fingerprint sensor is where your power button is. It says, unlike your phone with your fingerprint, no need for a passcode. Open a shortcut menu with a double tap. Your phone, your experience with My UX. Control your phone with simple gestures. Can customize your entertainment settings and create a look that's all you. Let's look at the specs on this phone. So like I said, looks like to be like a budget mid-range smartphone. You guys get Android 12 on board, which is very nice. I heard that this phone will only get one OS update, so we Android 13, so that's pretty cool. 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Sensors that you guys have on the phone are the notification LED type, fingerprint reader, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, e-compass, and barometer. It has a MediaTek Density 700 processor, 512 gigabytes of micro SD expansion, 6 gigabytes of RAM, fingerprint sensor, which is your power button, and you also get face unlock as well. 5,000 mAh battery, 10 watt charging. Yeah, 10 watt charging, up to 2 days of battery life, and you get 10 watt rapid charger in the box. So pretty nice. Display 6.5 inches HD plus. That is 1600 by 720 pixel resolution, 269 ppi. It has an active area screen. It has an active area touch panel, 88%. It is an IPS TFT LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a 20:9 aspect ratio. Dimensions there, I wish it was in height, and I wish it wasn't in millimeters. I wish it wasn't, but whatever. There's your dimensions there. The phone is made of plastic. Type-C charging port, which is pretty much standard now on all phones. 204 grams. Water protection, it is IP52 water repellent design. So do keep it in mind, it's a water repellent design. It's not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water. But if you do get a little water on it, you should be fine. So it's IP52 certified for that. It's available in midnight gray there. Cameras is a 50 megapixel sensor with a f1.8 aperture lens. You get a 50 megapixel camera with the f1.8 aperture lens. It has quad pixel technology on that, 2 megapixel macro with the f2.4, 2 megapixel depth sensor with the f2.4 single LED flash. Rear camera video software is the main camera is a hyperlapse video, spot color, live filter via future PS update. Front camera video capture Full HD at 30 frames. Rear camera software, the main camera, dual capture, night vision, shot optimization, night vision, portrait, auto smile capture, smile composition, HDR timer, active photos, burst shot, pro mode, portrait mode, cutout, spot color, live filter, Google Lens integration, AR stickers via future PS update, panorama and cinematograph. Front camera is a 13 megapixel camera with the f2.2 aperture. Rear camera video capture, main camera Full HD at 30 frames per second. So there is no 4K video on this phone here. Front camera software, group selfie, auto smile capture, selfie animation, beautification, portrait mode beauty, pro mode, watermark, burst shot, photo mirror, timer, active photos, live filter, spot color, gesture, selfie, night vision, cinematograph, shot optimization, group selfie, dual capture, live filter, HDR, single camera bokeh. Front wait a minute. So the front camera records in Full HD, rear camera records in Full HD. Front camera video software is hyperlapse video, spot color, live filter via future PS update, cinematograph, and face beauty. Audio has a bottom ported loudspeaker with smart PA, Dolby Atmos, 3.5 headphone jack, which is nice. 2 microphones. Experiences, you do get Google Assistant, which is pretty much, it's obvious because it's an Android phone. You'll get Google Assistant. My UX, if you guys don't know what that is, it is Motorola's skin on Android. So yeah, so personalized layout, fonts, colors, icon shape, sounds, display size, font size, system themes, gestures. You guys get quick capture, power touch, fast flashlight, 3-finger screenshot, flip to do not disturb, pick up to silent, lift to unlock, swipe to split, display, peak display, attentive display, play games, Dolby Atmos, media controls, tips. Take a tour. What's new in Android 12? Getting started. Moto Essentials. Camera. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.1. There is no NFC. So Google Pay will not be an option for this one here. You do get Wi-Fi 80, 811, ABGN, and AC, dual band Wi-Fi. You do get GPS, SIM card. It is a nano SIM card. What you get in the box is a Moto G 5G charger, USB-C cable, guide, SIM tool. Carrier availability. It's coming to all these carriers here. Y'all guys see right there. It's coming to all these carriers in the coming months. So yeah, they got about every fucking carrier listed on here. Then they got some Canadian carriers on here, because I know that this one is probably Canadian, maybe. Could be wrong about that, don't know. But some of them, most of them I do recognize. So yeah, it's going to pretty much every carrier in the US, pretty much. So it's pretty nice. This phone will be widely available when it is released in the coming months. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Soon, guys, if you guys want to check this out, a link will be down below. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.